Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add Wix store in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. So we are going to add e-commerce platform. On left side you see add app. So click on it, and then you see Wix app market. So we are going to add Wix store, and then you see search app. So right here Wix store. Now search. You see multiple categories, and then you see Wix store, professional e-commerce platform to sell online. Then you see already installed. So click on it. So I already installed this app. If you want, you can click on add. So this app will install on your website in Wix. So after that, some content and product will be added auto, and then you see Wix, hover on it, and then you see go to dashboard. So click on it. So we are going to access product on backend. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see catalog, and then you see stored product. You see multiple option, and then you see product inventory. So click on product. So we are using WooCommerce template, and then you see 12 product we have. So in this way you can add Wix store in your Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.